Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Byju's Exam Prep. So guys, HAL notification came from then I am getting doubt of the students. Like some are asking, sir, what is the difference between design trainee and management trainee? And can we apply for the both posts by paying the separate fees? Some are asking, sir, I have my BTech from automobile. Am I eligible for the post? Some are asking, sir, I am having CGPA and how shall I convert it into the percentage and how shall I convert it? So guys, some are asking my BTech percentage is 69.9%. Am I eligible for the post? So guys, some are asking that I have done my BTech after diploma. Am I eligible? So guys, for all those answers, I am having this session here and I will be answering based on the document shared by HAL in the FAQ section. So guys, the very first question is they are related to automobile. If you have done the BTech from automobile, they have clearly mentioned if your BTech is from a branch which is not mentioned in the notification, you are not eligible. So automobile is not eligible for this, but automobile is eligible in NIACL. There you can apply. Second question is related to that. If you have done the BTech plus MTech integrated degree, also you are eligible, but the point is your percentage should be more than 70 if you are from general category as per the mentioned things in the notification. Then they are asking if I have done 3-year diploma after that 3-year BTech. Then they have mentioned yes, you are eligible, but once again your percentage should be as per the required 70%. Then they are asking about one more thing, that can I apply for both together? Can I apply for both together by paying separate fees? They are saying no. You shall apply either for the design trainee or for the management trainee post. Then they are also asking actually what is the difference between management trainee and design trainee. So guys, the difference is design trainee. They have mentioned that the same answer I am telling you. They have mentioned that design trainee recruitment are for the R&D, research and development. And whenever we are talking about management trainee, that is for production, overall service division of the company. So this is the difference. If you are interested to work in R&D sector, then you need to apply for design trainee post. Okay. Then my dear, they are asking some other questions related to CGPA. Like if you are having CGPA, how to convert it into percentage. They say in case of methodology for converting CGPA to percentage is not mentioned in your mark sheet of your qualifying degree, then you may contact your institute or university for clarification. Further, it is mandatory to submit a certificate to the effect from the institute or university at the time of interview, tentatively scheduled to be held during the month of October. Then they are also asking about some of, I am not taking all the questions, I will share this PDF with you. I am taking only those questions which generally students are having. Okay. Like they are also asking, I am currently in the final semester of the BTech in the relevant branch. So am I eligible to apply? The answer is yes. Candidate currently in the final year, they are eligible, but they have also mentioned that whenever your BTech degree of engineering or technology or equivalent 23-24 may also apply, provided candidate have secured the prescribed aggregate percentage of marks as indicated above up to the last semester or year of examination at the time of applying. Selection of such candidate will be further subject to their obtaining minimum prescribed aggregate percentage of marks in the final degree, and candidate will have to submit the documentary proof of having passed the qualifying examination with minimum prescribed aggregate percentage and tentatively scheduled to be held in October 2023. So till October 2023 you must have that thing. Then they are also saying that I have secured 70% in the final semester. I belong to general category. Can I apply for the post? So they are saying not final semester. They read the entire BTech together is 70%. Okay. 69.99%. Can we round off? They are saying no. You need to have 70% means 70% only. 69.99 is not eligible for the post. Okay. So my dear, then they are asking some of the question related to the okay, let me see PWBD. They are not general question. I am taking the general question which are not mentioned in the you can say the notification, because those things which are mentioned there no need to go for that, because that session I have already taken. So then they are also asking, can I mail or fax the paper copy of application form? No, they are saying you just need to online apply. Okay. So guys, they have also asked about that if you are, I have entered the inactive. By chance, if you put wrong email ID, they are saying once entered and submitted, no detail can be changed. You are required to register again with another email ID. So if you do that mistake, you need to again apply the form. Okay. Then my dear, they are also saying some other things. Okay, that is, can I get syllabus for online selection? That is important question. Can I get the syllabus for online selection test and for the post of management and design trainee? They are saying the online selection test will be in 3 parts comprising of MCQ question. Part 1 will consist of 20 question, general awareness. Part 2 will consist 40 question, English and reasoning. Part 3 will consist 100 MCQ on the concerned discipline. The syllabus for the concerned discipline for selection to the post of management trainee and design trainee would be in line with the syllabus prescribed in GATE 2023 examination in the respective discipline or branch of engineering. So guys, this is related to this, and the rest things are like what is the cutoff marks for interview. There is no separate cutoff for the interview. If you are doing well in written exam, even though you are performing poor in interview, you will get the chance to get selected. Okay, so rest things are, my dear, the same. Okay, so this is how would I come to know if there are any changes. You need to go to this website. Otherwise, on this channel, we will be coming up with regular updates if it is there. So I feel, guys, majority of you got the idea about the doubts you have. So I will be sharing this PDF on my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. You can join that. So goodbye for this particular video. Stay tuned with us.